Today we're over here at the Tampa Motor Unit training course. We were able to get over here, invited by them, to do the free class, the free course for motor skills, advanced motor skills, which was absolutely great.
Right before you start making that turn, you should dip the bike just a little bit. It's just a...
Today we're hosting the L.A.M.A group, which is a Latin American motorcycle association, for a free advanced rider course. That free rider course is sponsored by the Florida Department of Transportation as well as RideSmart. So the free RideSmart course teaches the riders slow cone maneuvers as well as crash avoidance and curve negotiation for the riders to become more advanced in their motor skills.
It was a great experience, great class. Everything that we've learned, it happens in the road, be it on the interstate, be it on the city streets. So everything we learned to protect yourself and be aware of your surroundings at all times.
Riding a motorcycle is a perishable skill, so the more you practice, the better you are at it. The skills that we teach here in the SMART class is, being able to control your motorcycle, making tight turns like lane changing, and also being able to make a controlled U-turn without going too fast.
As a motorcyclist, you never stop learning. There's always new challenges out there, new obstacles out there. And it's just being aware of traffic laws, and being able to maneuver, around traffic.
So this class is for any type of rider. We've seen brand new riders that just got an endorsement, as well as riders that have been riding for 40 years. So the participants should know before attending the class that they should have an endorsement, that their license is good, as well as having a street legal motorcycle. They should keep up with the regular maintenance of the motorcycle. We prefer 40 PCI on the tires. Also, I know it looks good, but do not grease your tires, do not armor roll your tires, because in the turn, you might wipe out.
Even though I've been riding since 2001, that's when I started riding, I've never had a training per se, educational training into today's date. And my biggest challenge, it was one of the exercise doing a 90-degree. I think that I would not say it was a failure, but I would say it was a learning curve.
I encourage everybody, young riders, old riders, any kind of rider. If you ride a motorcycle, you owe it to yourself to come over here and get this training class. We need to be aware of each other. We need to share the road. So please, to the car drivers, be aware that we are here. Be aware of your surroundings, and so to the riders, to us. When we go, don't do crazy stuff. Ride safe, enjoy the ride, and get home safe.